So this is it. I put the other one under it neat because I wanted it to look pretty for the pictures. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Oh my god, look at my hair. So welcome to my channel. My name is Nat. Today I'm gonna be starting my egg fast. If you want to know how it goes, the recipes and all that good stuff, keep on watching. Remember, subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and ring that bell to be able to get notification every time I post. But first, I'm not a medical doctor, I'm not a health professional, just recording my journey on regaining my health. So make sure if you want to follow my recipes, you want to try the workouts that I do, make sure you consult your medical doctor before do so. You saw I'm gonna do my I'm gonna start my egg fast today. I'm gonna do 3 days of egg fast because I've been feeling like a little bit bloated. I've been eating stuff that I know that bloats me, so that's why I'm doing it. This is not my first time. Actually, this is my second time. The first time that I did, it was like 6 months ago. I didn't saw like a lot of weight loss. It was only like 3 to 4 pounds. But this time I'm not doing it to lose weight. My goal is to flush everything out because I know I feel bloated because of that junk that I've been eating the past few weeks. I haven't gained a lot of fat weight. I also gain a lot of muscle weight, so that's why I'm not too bothered about the weight gain. But still, I know that I can do better, and I'm gonna do better. That's why I'm gonna do this like reset with this egg fast. So this is how I always start my day, with coffee or tea, and I add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream and 1 cup or 1 tablespoon of MCT powder. This one is the vanilla flavor one, and I also add Swerve, that's a erythritol or stevia on my coffee every single morning. So to end my fast, I went real simple because I did have to do some errands. So I just boiled 6 eggs on my crock pot express. I put some butter on it. I didn't like it, so next time I'm gonna do oil like I always do with my boiled eggs. And yeah, basically butter, eggs, and 1 ounce of cheese. I remember the brand because I bought it local, but it's a really good cheese. So for dinner I'm gonna be doing egg shuffles. I'm gonna only use based on my my macros. I was supposed to eat like a dozen of egg every day, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna stick like the same thing that I did the other time. Earlier I did the 6 eggs with the cheese, blah blah blah, but not today. Right now I'm gonna do only 2 eggs because that's way too much. I'm gonna weigh the cream cheese, that way I don't go heavy-handed with it. I'm gonna do 2 ounces because that's what it calls, the recipe calls. I can do all at least an ounce of cheese every time I eat, or up to 1 ounce per egg. So I'm gonna do 2 ounces because I'm gonna use 2 eggs. And yes, I have a scale here that I'm weighing. I'm measuring the actual cream cheese. I have the waffle maker here on. And here 1 ounce. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. That's my dog playing with her toy. Oh, this is too much. And yes, I wash my hands, and this is my food, so I can touch it because it's mine. Almost there, almost there, almost there. Yep, 2 ounces. Now I'm gonna crack the egg. So in total, I'm gonna do 8 eggs today, 6 on my breakfast and 2 right now. I read that at least you have to do like 6 eggs per day, at least. So I'm doing 8. So I'm in the parameters of the rules. So basically, yeah, I'm gonna blend with my hand blender. This is how we call this, with my blender. The way that I can blend completely the cream cheese with the eggs. This is it, the mixture. 2 eggs, cream cheese. Oh, this is the scale that I use for my food. Yeah. So this is how it looks. This like jello-ish, watery consistency. But like you see, the cream cheese is completely blended with the eggs. I'm gonna put this on the waffle maker. I think this is gonna be like 2 waffle. Yeah, I think 2 waffles. This is 1. I'll be right back. So this is the first one. I think it's gonna be like 1 1/4. It's not enough butter to be like 2. I think I'm gonna the next time it could be 1 instead of 2, because this was only like 2 eggs and 2 ounces of cream cheese. So this is the first one. The other one is still cooking. I know that it says only eggs, cheese, butter, or fat, and also I read that you can do diet soda, like sugar-free ones. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna use these Pyure organic maple flavored syrup. These are the macros on it. It's not bad, like 3 net carb per every 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna use this to give it some flavor. This is from Pyure. I don't know how to pronounce this. So yeah, it's organic. I bought this on Amazon way before everything started to be crazy like it is right now. So yeah, I'm gonna put this a little bit of this when I'm done. So I weighed myself, and today's weight, it was 207. I'm gonna put the screenshot here, or in the entire frame. I'm not sure yet. It was 207. Yeah, I'm gonna put the screenshot because it also the scale that I have, it measures the body mass index, muscle weight, water weight, and few other things. So I'm gonna put the screenshot here about it. So like I was saying earlier, I did gain some weight, but I also gained fat and also gained muscle mass. So that's why I'm not that bummed or cranky about it, because it was like a combination of both. And I do really want to gain, or at least retain, the muscle mass. So yeah, I'll be right back then with the final results of the shuffles. So this is it. I put the other one under it neat because I wanted it to look pretty for the pictures. But this is it. Now I'm gonna pour 2 tablespoons of the of the Pyure maple flavor syrup. I'm gonna try 2 tablespoons. It was 2 tablespoons equals 1 ounce, so it's 2. Ooh, almost there. There you go. I'm gonna check my macros and see if I'm able to put a little bit of butter on this. If not, this is what I have for tonight. So let's try this. I'm not sure. I think it's gonna taste like really like eggy, because it doesn't have like any type of flour. Only have like cheese and the actual egg. I did put some butter on it because yeah. So we'll see. Let's try this shuffle, or however you're gonna call it. Here's go nothing. It doesn't taste eggy, but I think it is the actual syrup, because I feel the sweetness, and with the butter I don't feel the taste of the egg at all. It's really good. I don't know if I will be able to eat this every day. Good, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. The texture is almost like waffle texture. I'm not a huge waffle expert because I'm not a huge waffle eater anyway, but it's not bad. Let me fix this. I look like a crazy. Much better. Yeah, like we say in Spanish, se deja comer. It's really good. Tomorrow, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna do this again. I think I have some recipes that I saw on Pinterest. This one is from Pinterest too. And I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna do a boiled eggs again tomorrow, because like I said, I did 6 and I ate 5.5, because like I'm gonna see tonight and redo my macros, because I'm not gonna be able to do the actual 6 times 2, so it will be like a dozen every day. No, the first time I did only like, I think it was 3. Yeah, I did 3 eggs per meal, so it was 6 a day. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow, because it's way too much egg, even for me, and I like eggs. I can do fried egg every day, but 6 in one sit, it's too much. I know I won't be hitting my protein goal, but it's gonna be like 3 days only. I'm gonna do some research and see if I can drink my protein shake that is not actual shake, because it's like a juice. If you saw my previous videos, you saw the protein that I'm talking about. If you haven't, I'm gonna link put over here or here my previous video using the shake that is more like a juice. Yeah. So this is it for the first day. See you tomorrow.